Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new project in Vercel. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so first step is to head on over to vercel.com and sign into your account. Now from here, go ahead and click on the overview tab and you can see all your projects here, but we want to go ahead and create or add a new project. So from here, we've got the option to add new project. So click on add new and then click onto project. Now we've got a few options on this page here. So it will say let's build something new. So enter a get repository URL to deploy. So you can paste that in here. You can clone a template. So we can filter and browse all here, or we can import from our Git repository. So if you haven't connected your GitHub account, go ahead and connect it. As you can see, I'm connected here. So click on that, click on add GitHub account, or we can switch Git provider. Now from here, we can go ahead and import a project. So if I want to go ahead and use this Tiny Tails tracker, I can import like so. Now from here we can see the Vercel teams. That's my project. We can change the project name or edit it if we want, and then we've got the framework presets. So we've got all these different presets we can use, the root directory, and then go ahead and click on deploy. Now once this finishes deploying, this is going to add my new project to Vercel.